Hey, good morning, everyone. It's Angelo Christian Financial, your direct nationwide lender. Where America goes for funding. Call or text our office, 832-431-6331. Today we're talking about getting rid of your mortgage. Can you actually get rid of your mortgage with a line of credit? And a lot of people didn't know that you can even get a line of credit on your house. They just thought maybe that was for a commercial loan or some type of banker loan. But you could actually get a credit line on your primary residence, your secondary home, investment property, whatever, And the way it works is, if you have a mortgage on there right now, you can replace that with a line of credit. I'll give you an example. Let's say you have a property that's worth $1 million. You owe $400,000 on it. So the way it works is we'll pay off that $400,000 loan, and we can give you a line of credit up to 80% of the value of the property. So you can get a credit line up to $800,000. Now, it doesn't mean that you pay interest on $800,000. Your mortgage is paid off, the $400,000 that you have, and you have available credit of the difference of $400,000. And you can borrow from that whenever you want, up to 20 years. There's no prepayment penalty. You can pay it off whenever you want. If you want to pull out 50 grand to go buy a rental property or pay off debt or whatever, or do investments, you can pull from anytime you want with funds on demand. You can pay it down whenever you want. Okay? And it also comes with a checking account, so that money that you borrow to pay off your mortgage, you can pay that off as fast as you want. And with that accelerated payment plan, you'll reduce your carry costs, your interest expense, and have a lower effective APR. So the answer is yes, you can definitely do that, and we are a direct lender to help you to make that happen. So give us a call, text us, 832-431-6331. I want to hear from you to get rid of your mortgage and replace it with a HELOC.